Disney theme park characters. Have there been situations where you had to break character? I was Cinderella. 3 years without ever breaking character. Disney's golden rule, never break character. One day, a little girl came up to me with her mom, excited, wearing her own Cinderella dress. Suddenly, she collapsed. She was having a seizure. Her mom screamed, "Help!" Everyone froze. I ripped off my wig and said, "I'm Emma. I'm certified in first aid." I carefully turned her onto her side, talked to her mom, and helped as best I could. When the girl woke up, she looked at me and cried, "Where's Cinderella?" I thought I'd be fired. But then her dad handed me a drawing, Cinderella with brown hair and a superhero cape. Instead of losing my job, Disney created a new emergency protocol team, so performers can save lives without losing the magic. Sometimes, breaking character is the greatest magic of all.